brown rice, so it's time to boil it. Yes guys, here is the cooked brown rice. I'm using 1 cup of brown rice. You can actually add as many quantity of rice you want and add as much water as you want. You can make it thicker or watery, okay? But the one in the packet that I bought from the supermarket is more watery, okay? Brown rice is more beneficial for those that are watching weight. It's less starch. I'm using dates for sweetener. You can add dates or honey for sweetener. Then this is the one I bought from the market. They call it in Portuguese, they call rice in Portuguese arroz. So this is the one I got from the supermarket at the park, and it's very expensive when you get it from the supermarket, but it's very cheap when you do it yourself at home. Little quantity of rice will give you all of this. Then I will now preserve this inside my fridge to be used for next day. Okay. Yes guys, if you love this video, please give it a like and drop your comment under the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. God bless you for watching. Thank you.